Hello people, today I am going to be showing you how to connect your printer to your laptop. I have an Epson WF-3520 and a 2015 MacBook Pro. So what we're gonna do is, to connect to the printer, we're gonna open the hard drive. Once we open that, we're gonna go to the left tab, look for locations, and you'll find network. So open network, and then the printer should be there. Epson WF-3520. And then it's gonna ask you to connect. And I'm gonna connect, and then you're gonna put in your password. And now you're good. So then that's when you're able to print now. And you're gonna find your print button under File. And let's preview printer. So make sure you select the Epson WF-3520. And now we should be printing. We should be in business. Yes, it worked. The Epson WF-3520 is now printing. Wow, that was easy.